till then, plan, bring books. Books are also here. You can pick up any books, library is there, and you can probably start doing coding. You should understand our problem also, right? When we started coding in 2007, 8, 9, right? At that point of time, not much content in the internet. And you know about internet, right? 2G, hardly in that Nokia phone it used to run, you know. So next hackathon, is this a good idea? You should not give internet for at least 6 hours. हाँ? अरे भाई एनपीएम छोड़ दो ना तो अब तक के लिए डिजाइन करो, बातचीत करो, झगड़ा करो. सर क्या बनाने वाले हैं? ओके, परफेक्ट. अच्छा, कौन ऐसा आदमी है ये ग्रुप में who is the person who did not do much thing but he just supported his team? I love your honesty. Claps, guys. How did you support your team? Moral support. If those teams win, then what you're going to give them back? If you're going to give them what? The same thing. Moral support. Only moral support वाली है. यार 2 लाख रुपए मिल गया फर्स्ट प्राइज वाले को. वो देखेगा भाई मैंने मॉरल सपोर्ट दिया था, ले मॉरल सपोर्ट हो गया. तू स्टेज में आके चेक ले ले, बट तेरे नाम से कुछ नहीं होगा, राइट? ओके. सर वो तो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. ठीक है. ओके. नाउ द सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट who is the person who did more coding, more ideas, more designings. You know, he was like continuously did not sleep full night. अभी आंसर कोई नहीं बोलेगा. कोई हाथ उठाया, अबे मैं क्या किया? Anyone? Anyone? कोई बोल ही नहीं रहा यार. No one? Do not want to take your own credits? How you'll survive in the industry? Okay, one guy from there. Nice. बहुत आगे जाओगे यार तुम. बहुत आगे जाओगे. What about others? सर कुछ नहीं किया सर. Okay. Are there any person who is just fed up? अरे यार बस हो गया, नहीं करना अब. Huh? Were there any people? अरे सर बस हो गया, अब नहीं करना सर. I remember one guy over there. Okay, he says sir front end अब हो गया सर, अब करना ही नहीं है. I'm saying take more time and please put it in the Google form whatever you have created. APIs, something like that. वही कितने बार कॉल वैसे ही बोला था. Right? Who is the person who was only eating? Throughout eating only. He'll put one point eat. कोई नहीं बोलेगा. No one? सर खाने के बारे में कौन बोलता है सर? Okay. So anyhow, see at the end of the day, I was really energetic in this entire hackathon. Amazing work by all of you. You have extremely done well. You have so much happy with whatever you have done. I am really happy because this was the first hackathon and we really wanted to experiment how it will go ahead, you know. So even we did not shortlist, we had dropped a mail, everybody selected, come and participate in the hackathon. Okay, so we even did not do the shortlisting. Again, thank to GitHub who trusted on us and thought that we can actually implement this entire thing. So what we are going to do in the future will be quite amazing. You know, like this month entirely, all the weekends has been packed, you know, for this kind of events, which will be amazing for the community building. At the end of the day, we are adding values in others' life. You should also add values in others' life, right? So GitHub motto should be something like this: Neki kar, GitHub pe dal. I hope everybody understood. Neki kar, GitHub pe dal. Okay. So thank you once again, everyone. This was amazing. Uh, and yes, best of luck for your result. In another 5 to 10 minutes, we are announcing the result. Check is already here. Okay. We just have to write the name and give the amount. How many total? Awards are there? Five. First prize 2 lakh. Second prize 1 lakh. Third prize 50,000. Fourth prize. Okay. Fourth prize 25,000. Fifth prize 25,000. Okay. So additional two prizes we have added because just by seeing your efforts, we loved it. I hope our team was very good in guiding you and helping you out. So a big claps to the entire iNeuron team. Apart from that, a big claps to our video editing camera team entirely, handled by Kelkar ji. And I sincerely thank all tech YouTubers, CXOs who are right down here completely for 24 hours. And finally, one and only CEO, Sudhanshu Kumar. Okay? If I make him more happy, he'll add 2 more awards. 15,000. Okay, they're putting the price also. But 2 more awards idhar ka bol raha hu. Okay, so yes, just give us another 5 minutes. Kitna minute bol rahe hain?
10 minutes, so we'll go for the presentation first of all and then...
Okay, perfect. So thank you. Please make sure that you subscribe all the tech YouTubers who are here. And tell your friends to subscribe also. अच्छा है ना बोलना बात है ध्यान से देखिए इस चेहरे को ध्यान से देखिए इस YouTube channel को something like that. Okay, thank you everyone. And yes, in another 2 and 10 minutes. Best of luck everybody. I'll see you in some time. Thank you.
So guys, the plan is like 10 people will go for presentation and out of 10, so 5 are going to win this hackathon. So we have already shortlisted 10. Let's have a presentation, let's have a public vote as well, so that it should be neat and clean. And then we can decide on a spot. बाकी लोग बाहर मिलते हैं.
Hey there, folks, everybody who is listening to this channel and enjoying this channel. Yes, I know voice is too low because we cannot hold this mic up front. This is, by the way, a webcam. It's pretty nice for a webcam, and we have another cam set up as well. So this is what the audience view looks like. This is where the presentation view, and this is where I'm controlling everything. So yep, so you can ask all the questions. In the meantime, we get our presentation and everything all up and ready. So yep, in the meantime, just fire up the questions. I'm reading all of them, and so feel free to fire that. Nikhil is waiting for Sudhanshu sir's speech. Yeah, we'll get him on board on the stage very, very soon. Please meet up in Ahmedabad. Hopefully very, very soon we'll be doing that. When will JavaScript Full Stack Bootcamp course start? The registration has already started. The classes will get started from 10th. Yep, that's how it's going to be. Louder cannot be much louder than this. For this particular stream, you need to adjust the audio part a little bit because it's a little tough to carry these kinds of heavy beast of mics. That is how. Uh, some of the fun comments. I'll bring on all these comments as well. So Nikhil is saying waiting for sir's speech. Okay, nice one. Share your experience about hackathon. That was a bit of a fun. I didn't expect it that how we are going to manage this, but surprisingly we did so well in managing all of that. And the team was fantastic. Everybody was so energetic, and also they were very, very humble and kind towards whatever the things we have been missing or however the problems, anything we faced. All of them were really good. Presentation camera is tilted lower. Yes, my friend, I know you have extreme expertise in the cameras and stuff. But yes, we are also going with that. So don't you worry about how the camera angles and all of that. Let me do all of that. Let me manage all of that. You just enjoy this live stream that we are doing. And I hope you will be having this one. So a lot of people are saying online hackathon. You haven't seen how it goes in offline. The amount of work you do, the amount of knowledge that you learn, it cannot be done online. Surely in the future we'll do some of the online hackathons. But yeah, very soon. Oh, Prasad is saying, Prasad is asking, offered anyone? Yes, we have offered 4 people jobs on the floor itself. So 4 offer letter are there. We will be announcing them as well, like officially, but we have already passed on those offer letters. Okay. Can iNeuron go with something InfoSec courses? Yes, we are already having an InfoSec course. Already it's available. You can just go to the courses section and get that. Okay, tell everyone all the best from me. Hey Pratik, thank you so much. All the best to all of the candidates who are up here. Best wishes to all of you from your side as well. Okay. When will the full stack course start? It will start from 10th of July, but the registration are all open. Don't wait for the last moment. I might close the seats and stuff, so don't do that. Because already we are getting a good response up there, so don't you worry on that part. So yep, this is me. Behind me, Naveen sir is there. So we have a lot of YouTubers on the floor itself. Hello sir, how are you?
Live on YouTube.
Yep sir, this is all live.
Yeah, doing great. Waiting for the prizes.
Yeah, so this is a webcam view. The high-end views are for the audience and stuff.
That's right.
But this is, if you sit up here, we can look like a presentation or a presenter over WWE, how this arena people fight.
Yeah, we can do that. In fact, we have 10 presentations now, right?
Yeah, we have 10 presentation lined up, and you'll be getting so much of idea how they build the stuff, what problem they faced. There is even a big of a problem that we want to share. Somebody actually lost all of his code during this hackathon. We have also brought him up so that he can share his experience, that what went wrong and what not to do. That is also another thing. So yep, we'll be doing that part as well. Meetup in Pune, hopefully soon. Why Bangalore is so expensive? I have no idea, zero idea. Yes, it is expensive, but it's worth it if you believe that part. Will there be any online hackathon for people like us in other states? There are a lot of people who came from other states. They didn't give any excuse that we are from different state, we cannot come, do this. They are all doers. They are not like excusers here. So, yeah, what can I say? Maybe till then, we don't launch any online one, just go ahead and wait for that. So important question. Will you teach in JavaScript Bootcamp? I will definitely teach, obviously, of course, but I won't be taking up 100% of the classes. There are other mentors involved. They will be taking some classes. I'll be doing a lot of code reviews majorly there, and a lot of new concept and topic wise. Mock interviews I'll be doing a lot. Resume discussion I'll be doing a lot. And code reviews, that is majorly what I'll be doing. But again, I won't be taking 100% of the classes. There are other awesome mentors and senior developers who will be taking a lot of classes. Okay, please upload all the presentation video on the channel. No, I cannot. They will be, all the presentation will be made in the live itself, because they are not of that high quality that I want them to be, so won't be making a separate video for them. Any vacancy in your company for Flutter? No, as of now we are not working much on the Flutter. Maybe in the future. Okay, so please upload all the presentation. No, we, we cannot do that. Can you come to Sri Lanka? Uh, sure, if you invite me to college or company, surely. Ah, nice one. Bangalore is expensive because people earn more there. Yeah, that is a true fact. Will the code in GitHub will be made public? Yep. Majority of them will be in public, but again, it's up to the participant whether they want to open source it or not. That's up to them. We are not forcing anybody to make anything, all the things public or not. It's totally up to their choice. For all those who couldn't make it today, you have done the best today. Go with more energy. Yeah, that is really true. Next hackathon, it's next week. I haven't posted the video yet, but I'll announce it formally and officially. Next week is JetBrains. So JetBrains is doing some awesome stuff. Of course, there are a lot of prizes, and even the cash prize is not there. It's in the form of Amazon voucher. You can buy whatever you like, because there are some rules and regulation when they transfer money from outside of India. And as you know, JetBrains headquarters is outside of India. Okay, so vacancies for React.js developer in your company. We have a lot, and we have even offered some offer letter directly up here. So that will be up here. So, okay, both ML and web projects. Yep, both of them are there. Java developer vacancy in Aineron. We have hired in this hackathon only one Java developer. Naveen sir has hired him. Okay, so can I take your full stack course? I have already taken the DSA plus, please. C++, yes, of course you can take. Can I enroll in the bootcamp from Australia? Of course, yes you can, no problem at all. We have lined up companies waiting up even in our hackathons that are saying us that, hey, give us the entire batch of these hackathons or the courses. So lined up companies are there. We have lined up JetBrains, and after that we have Mu Sigma, who has even offered that we'll be putting up offer letters right on the floor here. A lot of that. And we'll be giving first priority to all of the people who are enrolled in our job guarantee bootcamps, obviously. No brainer there. Okay. Please do some hackathons in Delhi too. You should come to Bangalore to take. See, hackathon will not come to your cities. You need to come to the cities where hackathons are happening. How many seats in your live courses? We don't do like seat bases and stuff. We make the date announcement, and the participant who are there till the last date, that's it. We close it on the last date, and that's it. Sometimes we close it before the last date as well. If I'm okay, like we won't be taking much more of that. So yeah, in case you want to join, feel free to take part. Otherwise, vacancy for YouTube manager. I do have my personal manager already, and no, I'm not looking for any manager further down him. So no vacancy there. Any future plan for organizing the CTF? Yes, we will finalize that on the coming Wednesday. There is a CTF planned up. We will be inviting a lot of hackers and pen testers for that. Even a lot of companies are offering their bug bounty programs, so we will be organizing that also. Okay. Can I enroll in bootcamp from Australia? Doesn't it ask for Indian phone number? Yes, it asks. That is just to call you back, but you can give your Australian phone number as well, no problem. Any available internship? I am in class 11th. 4 years of experience in Angular PHP. I think you should first clear up your 12th and at least focus a little bit. I would love to offer you an internship in your free time, but not in your school time. You should focus on your school first, finish that up, and we are open for that. Okay, so seems like something is happening. Okay, so some.
So overall, 10 teams we have selected will show the demo.
Oh.
After that, 5 teams will be winning it. Okay?
So
everybody has opened your laptop?
So teams are selected. Now we will be starting the presentation very soon. 10 teams will do the presentation. Yes, Chris sir, 10 teams?
10 teams
10 team.
Demo will be shown over
Okay,
here.
10 team will show their demo of the project that they have built. It will be super, super fantastic and exciting. Go ahead, hit that like button and hit that share as well so that more people can participate and see that what they have built.
Shall we start?
Yes, of course, we can start up. Look at this. Awesome. So more people are joining in. Hitesh says, is that job guarantee program genuine? I mean, 100%. It's not a staffing company that you pay the money, you get the job.
We
It's all
have
about if you're putting in effort, we are 100% going to
whoever
place you.
probably got selected. I will call out the team name. You have to come over here, show your demo.
So the
Whoever
demo
that
part is
calling out
going to
don't
get
think that
started.
you have won it yet.
Like this.
Again, after some time, we'll announce the winners. So the first team that I really want to call is Free Guys.
The first team, free guys are here.
So you can come and show your demo first of all.
Would you like to see that?
I told you to open the laptop and click. Okay, till then you set up the laptop. You can show next probably. I'll call the other team so we don't waste time. Okay, Gits.
Iniron
Gits,
will hire from JavaScript
GIT
Bootcamp.
Z.
Obviously, I'll keep the
This is
cream of the
Rishikesh.
developers first for our company itself.
They have left, huh?
Yeah.
Left? Okay.
Uh,
Team
Hitesh
Bonk.
give live commentary like cricket commentary. Yeah, you can say that.
Team Bonk.
It's almost like a cricket commentary.
Ashwin Kumar. Team Bonk. Yeah, come and show the demo. Claps, guys.
Yeah, I know I have spoiled all of you by having a pro audio. I can totally relate to that. Every time you expect that there's going to be audio is too low, we need pro audio. Doesn't work all the time. Sometimes you have to compromise because the setup is different. So again, if you are going to be keep on spamming it up here, I might have to block you about the audio and stuff. Yep, this is a good thing. You're getting a chance to see a lot of it. So go ahead and work on with that.
Okay, quickly, guys. Come. Show your demo.
Yep, so can you visit college in Punjab?
Okay.
Haven't got any
Let me start
invitation
with the
so
one
far.
of the team who has to be ready. ML coders.
Yep.
ML
Yes,
coders.
everyone like the video. That is the most
They also
important.
left.
Is
Left.
this hackathon for UG students? The hackathon is open for everyone. Whoever wants to take participation in that, whoever can code or build something, it's open for all. We don't
Okay.
ask whether you are
Team
college or you are
Slow.
from company or something. Anybody can
Okay,
take
keep
part.
your setup ready. Then we'll come over here and
Fully
cover
pumped up to
demos.
give my 10,000% in JS Bootcamp. We would love to hire you first if you are
Team
putting that much of effort.
ARAV.
What about the LCO students? You can still enjoy all the courses
So
and will
after
definitely
that,
enjoy
be
the
ready.
upcoming more courses.
Keep your setup ready
So we'll
so
keep
that
on
you can
that.
show the demo.
Is this your first hackathon? Yes, the
Team
offline one
Athena.
first.
Yeah, keep your setup ready for the
Can I
demo.
follow the courses on my own pace? Yes, of course. All the videos will be available to you and you can follow on your own pace as well. No problem.
I'll announce more names. Still.
Should I
Okay,
join
quickly.
bootcamp? I'm 18, just completed 12th.
Now
I think if
basically
you
I
have
will show
completed
you
your
the demo,
12th,
what we have
yes, you can.
created. And you can basically have a look onto that.
Is it free or paid? What? Hackathon? Definitely free. Courses? Definitely paid. Who are those people sitting in front of you? So these are our team members. So these are our team members.
Subheaders.
Okay, so one of the presentation, yep, the demo is going on.
And we have chosen
Yep,
dataset which we were
so
given was of Bangalore. So,
voice is not lost, I've just muted it.
so here is the user interface of the application which we have made. So this is about the project. So here
Let me
we
set
have
up
given
this
a
a little bit.
demand prediction of a cuisine. As we can see, when we are going to a restaurant, when you're looking for directions, it basically gives us an estimate of how much. Okay, so how much amount does it take to to afford food at that particular place. So it gives us an estimate for about 2 or 3 people. So in that data set, we they gave us estimate for about 2 people for that particular for a particular cuisine, and and the other attribute is the cuisine. It is obviously that. Okay, so based on these attributes, we are going to predict the demand for that particular cuisine. Okay, so as you can see here, for the North Indian cuisine, the demand is 76%. So in the coming weeks or the coming month, it is going to be about 76%. So that particular restaurant can now accommodate ingredients based on this demand. Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah, that's.
Thank you. Okay, the next team just connected. Lalit, you can also come this side so that you can be ready. Surya. Surya. I'll help you out.
Okay. Thank you, thank you. So our problem statement is related to making a real-time chat application. So we techies like want to get our queries answered immediately. So we go to Google. What if some real person can answer our queries? So this is where our platform comes in. We call it iAssist. So basically the I here stands for iNeuron, and this platform is basically built for neuron query support. So that was the problem statement here. And basically we have like two types of login. One is the student who can ask queries, and the other type of login is for mentor who can like answer those queries. Can we have a control like to demo, right? So yeah, so we are two people, and I myself Dilip, and other person is Indrajit. So we'll be guiding you through the application and showing a short demo of it. So hopefully it'll take not much of your time. So initially we just like have to click on the start with the application, and you will be provided with two types of login as I mentioned. And we are using Google Auth. So basically, just to ignore the storage of passwords, we are using Google Auth. And once you click on sign in with Google, we have to like select whether you are a student or a mentor. And once you click on it, we can like sign in into the Google account.
Another account. Okay. Use another account.
Yeah. In the meantime, you can visit the URL over there, i-assist.versal.app. So it has been deployed and everyone can access it, and it is live. So this account has already been registered as a student, and as you can see, like there are like many pending queries and 2 queries are in progress. No, this is a mentor account. So actually, like the UA has been cropped. So initially, like mentor will be able to like answer to the queries through the discussion forum. Like he can click on any of the queries which has been assigned to him. So when he clicks over it, he'll be provided with a text box where he can like provide the discussion related queries. And also like all those discussion will be like populated over there, and he can also mark the status as pending or in progress or whether it is completed. So that is a drop down at the top. And like once if he changes, like the status will also be updated, and also like any chat messages or the discussion messages over here will be like populating over at the top. So this is the features of the mentor, and simultaneously we can log in into another account which is a student. So Indrajit, if possible, like can you log in into a student account and show the features? Just a second, guys. So that one was a discussion forum, and the other thing, when a student is logged in, right, like he'll be having a like a real-time chat where the socket connection will be established between n number of users. Like the students can connect with n number of mentors, and they can lively answer their queries. So that is one of the features which we want to like highlight in our application. So this is the student's view, and his unsolved queries will be listed at the top. And can you create a new query, like so that we can show them the real-time chat? So when we want to create a new query, like we need to create it with a title and a description and also the category of the query. So we'll be just creating a basic query. So once the query is created, this is a chat window, and the messages here posted will be like lively getting updated to all the other users who are like currently logged in. So this is message is sent from a student account, and if when we look at the other window, can you use incognito so that? So here, as you can see in the active query section, the recent question which was posted by the user will be here. And also like when we are like sending out a message, right? Like the messages, once the socket is getting connected, the messages will get lively updated. So this message will come to the student, and as many as number of like connections can be established in a single moment. So if there are like simultaneously many, like let's just say 10 mentors are available, they'll be able to see the query and select the query and answer the queries like through the active chat. So these are the basic features. And apart from this, like we have a future scope where the student can like set a query as resolved, so that it will be marked as like in Stack Overflow. We see that some queries like get a huge number of tick marks, right? So that will be like a correct answer. And when a student like he is satisfied with the answer, he can mark it as resolved. And other than that, if once the chat query is like the chat gets closed, right? Like it will move to the ticket section where the tickets will be raised for every query, and it will get assigned to a mentor. So that it is the mentor's responsibility to answer that query. So it will be like assigned to him, and it will be like shown as assigned to that mentor, and he can like answer it, and he can like change the status of the query. Status of the query as pending, in progress, or completed. This was basically given in the problem statement. And he can also like, if he doesn't know the answer, he can like transfer the mentorship to some other mentor, and that is one of the future like scope. Just the two features are left in the future scope. Other than that, all the other features or the requirements have been implemented. So I think that concludes our demo. Thank you.
Good work.
Thank you.
Okay, did you like the demo? Many things has been implemented in this. Yes? I hope everybody is getting satisfied, right? Yeah? Right? So let's go with the next team. Amit, next team. Yours?
So we are team 3 guys, and hello guys. So we are team 3 guys. We have the problem statement we have taken is under full stack development, and we have developed a complete Android application using Kotlin, and we have used a framework called Jetpack Compose to complete our project. So the problem statement for us is food dining application. So just a minute, let me show you the demo. Please wait a minute. Yeah, it's app. So, yeah.
Statement where we have to create an app where the users can scan a QR code in an hotel, and they can just place their orders directly from their table without just interacting with the waiters and all those peoples. So that's what our problem statement is. So basically we created two apps. We created two apps in Android. One is for the users and another one is for the restaurant. So first let's see how look at the users application. The users have to log in with using their phone number. Yeah, play the video. Right? Yeah, it's like the users first have to just log in with their phone numbers, and they will be just authenticated using their by sending an OTP to their phone. So we used Firebase authentication for authenticating in the user, and once the user is authenticated, he will be directed to a page where he can just scan a code in a table. Sorry. Actually, there are different QR code for different tables. So each QR code have unique IDs. So the users can just scan the QR code in an individual table, and they can just place their orders, and the restaurants will get an update about the order, and they can just process the order based on the request. So actually, you can see they just have to just enter the OTP, and they will be moved to an page where they can just scan the QR code. And once this QR code is scanned, they will be moved to the menu list where the users can see all the menus that are available in the hotel. So we just give a demo like. Yeah. So the users can just enter a number of items you want, and we can just place the order from this application. And the users can also see their orders history in our application. They can just also search the items that are available in their in the hotel, and the users can see the orders that he made using that application for the particular login session. So that's the app for the users side, and the restaurant side is look like this. So the restaurant get applications, get the list of orders received sent by the users. So they can just also add and update the menu list that will be shown for the users when they just logged into the app. So that's what we developed.
Okay, amazing. Actually developed. Come on.
Hello. So I'm Lalit. I built this Ultra Resume app, a resume builder that helps you
So
build
Lalit,
your
if you
resume.
can give your introduction first of all, we
Yeah.
would love to hear about you.
Yeah. So I'm studying in a 12th standard currently.
Okay.
So I just wished I could take part in this hackathon. So I just came
Can you
here.
support guys? Everyone?
Yeah.
Yes,
So I built this resume builder for this hackathon. So it's called Ultra Resume. So let me just show you the demo. So this is the demo. So you'll be presented with a login screen, and once you log in, you can create as many resumes as you want. Only details that we ask, that I ask currently at the start is name and description. So once that gets done, a resume gets generated instantly, and you can edit it with a real-time updater. Like you can have multiple themes also. So and now if you edit the name in the side editor panel, it'll get automatically updated here. And once you feel it's okay for you, and when you like it, you can just save all the changes that you made to the resume. You can add other fields such as experience and education as well. So once you're done with building your resume, you can just share it to others by sharing the PDFs, or you can even pass a QR code to your friend, and you can show your resume to anyone. You can download the QR code too.
Amazing.
So that's it. Thanks.
Good work.
Thanks.
So guys, I think you may probably be getting some inspiration from Lalit, right? But from our backend team, from Vigilators, right, his code was amazing. What he has actually written, okay? code was very clean. He's used TypeScript. He's used MongoDB. And probably, if you see his code, it's quite amazing. Come here. So overall, how was your experience?
It was very good.
Very good.
Yes,
So, are you not feeling sleepy?
I am.
Yeah. Okay, it's okay. We'll just announce that.
Having exam tomorrow.
Yeah.
No, it was today and yesterday. I had 2 exams.
Okay, today also.
Yeah.
So you did not attend? Oh my God. Okay, okay. Congratulations. Again, we'll just announce the winners soon. Okay. Thank you. Okay, next team.
We are Team Slowpoke. Here I have Sitaraman and Hasib as my teammates. So we worked on problem number 3 from the full stack development, that is the dining solution. And we worked on a full-blown dining solution for your new age restaurant experience. So, right, let me show a video. Uh, stop sharing. Yeah, share a tab. Share the tab YouTube. वो voice आता है. YouTube, yeah, yeah. Share. Hmm? Yeah. Is it audible? You can tell them. Okay. So what's happening here? Let me pause a second. Pause for a second. Okay. Right. So what happens in our app is basically we have 2 products. One is a web product and one is an app product. So basically what we have built is you go to a restaurant. You don't have our app installed. And you need to order because there is a QR code and we are integrated with the restaurant. So you don't want to install a new app just to, just to like order in single restaurant. So what we have done is you can directly scan a QR code on the table with your mobile camera and you will be redirected to a web app. So this is, here it is. Right. So you can there are 2 options. Either you can download the app and you can continue the web. To continue with, yeah. Yeah. To continue the web, you need to enter your name and your mobile number, and you're in. You have the menu. You can add. You can see the menu. You can add items. You can remove items, and you can order. Right. So as you can see, we're able to add items. We're able to order items. and that says the order please, waiter will be here anytime soon, and you can pay from the web itself. And that's it. That's a very easy solution. And the other solution, which I had told you, which is our app. Uh, Full screen. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry about this. Right. So this is our app. It's called Guacamole. And so what is the benefit of having an app is, so we basically provide exclusive offers. I mean, you can apply your coupons if you have any, and you can also browse for restaurants. You can see what rating a restaurant got, what menus it has, and you can also book a restaurant from our app, which is not available on our website. So that's the benefit of downloading our app. So here is our demo of the app. Basically, you can log in and you can look for restaurants. And here also you can like scan and order directly from the app. Right. So from here, I don't think we can. Okay, it's the same. Can you like do something and show it? Code, change the code maybe. Maybe like. Yeah, okay, I'll show you the design we made. So basically what happens after scanning, you directly go to the menu page, which you have seen in the web itself. Since I can't show you a scan a QR code on a laptop, I was not able to show you. So this is our Figma design. Here is our dashboard where you can, okay. After scanning, you get to the restaurant's menu. Here's how the menu looks. And it's basically similar to the website itself again. You can add, remove, place order. You can pay from our app itself. And here the extra feature is you can we have discounts, exclusive discounts. We provide exclusive discounts in partnership with restaurants and all. Yeah. So that's Guacamole. Thank you.
Okay, who's next? So did you do your setup? Your center? Just open that. Stop sharing over there.
Third problem from the web development, the restaurant app. So our problem is to do a QR code app for the dining solution. So we thought of making a web app because like not everyone will be having a mobile app. So we thought of doing a web app. Basically, we completely mobile first design. So there are two sides of this app. Maybe you could scan the QR code or you could enter to the restaurant. You enter your name and guess the depending on the availability of the table, it's get allocated to you. So we made sure that if there's a large table, you could split the table and all those things. So here is the thing. You could either scan the QR code or you could also visit the website. If you already scan the QR code, your table is already pre-allocated. Here, next. So you enter your mobile name, mobile number, name, and the number of guests. Depending on the after that, you'll be getting an OTP. Check availability. After that, you'll be getting an OTP. Once you confirm the OTP, it will assign you the table. If you are already in the table is already assigned, and you'll be shown the menu. Here the other thing is, if the tables are already filled, you will be assigned to a waiting queue, which is not, it's not there in the recording. We'll be showing it to you separately. So this is your menu. You could browse the menu and then you could add the items whatever you want. After adding the items, you can place the order now. Once the order is placed, the order will be there's another restaurant app which we completed the back end part, we couldn't complete the front end part in meantime. But what happens is the back end there'll be a KOT machine, there he'll be getting the order, so they could so there could let's say in every order there might be 10 items you might be ordered, so each item individual progress is also be shown. And you could also add another orders if you want to add some desserts later on, you could also add to the existing order. And once all the orders is finished, please move on. Still. Once all the orders is finished, you'll be shown like 100%. Once all the orders are completed, you'll be getting a pay option. Then you could pay the bill. We completed mostly in the server part. There we could check out the tables, you could remove the tables and all those things. But unfortunately, we couldn't execute it in the front end part. No worries. It took time. That's it. Thank you.
Like our team, we worked on the problem statement of sub-dub, which is basically taking a audio file from one language and converting it to another language in the same tone, emotion, etc. So the reason I like to start off by saying the reason we chose this problem statement, the moment we read it, we all found it very exciting. It's something we hadn't heard or tried before, whereas the others we have had a bit of experience on. So we wanted to try something new, so we decided to go for it. And now I'd like to let you all know how we went about it. Okay, so basically, till my friend shares the screen, I'll tell you how we train the models and stuff. So we use this NVIDIA open source library called Hackathon 2 to train our models. We took audio file. We took many audio files, 360 plus to be specific, and we trained that through this model. We had to give subtitles for each files. So me and my friends trained different models through different techniques and tried which one was the most accurate. And we found out that this one works in our favor. So we decided to go for it. And yeah, so after we tried this model, we had to subtitle each file according to the audio, 360 plus files. That was hectic. It took us 6+ hours. But then we got our way through it and we trained it. So this model uses BiLSTM, convolutional layers and everything. It gets its output in a frequency-based graph. So basically it's a melody-based frequency graph. So yeah, once that is done, we use wavenets to convert the graph to audio. So we found that was the most accurate way of converting, or like what we researched and found, of converting the text to audio. And from now, I'd like to hand over to Rishi, my friend. He'll take over. Screen.
So sorry for the. I hope I'm audible. So as Abhishek told, we were working on a model which was quite difficult because first we had to take in the pitch of the person who is speaking. We had to capture his pitch. Then we had to take his emotion and capture it precisely, and then also dub it to foreign languages. So it was multiple tasks at once which we should focus, and the technology available for it was very scarce. So what we did was use Hackathon 2 and then train the model accordingly. So we trained a model of a very known person to us, at least here, of course all over India. Then once we open the website, you all will know whose voice we have trained and whose voice we are converting today. Okay, so this is our website. So the reason we added this picture here specifies that the model which we trained is none other than Hitesh's model. So his data source was quietly available in YouTube. Of course, we have taken his two video videos. We just cut it into multiple pieces. We just went through it, captioned each and every bit, and it took us a lot of time to do that. And the training took 4 hours just to train his voice. And then we got 2 beautiful results, which is one in Spanish and one in French. So the thing here is, we did all this, but also we did a mistake. We ended up wasting so much time in this and making it more benefit. That is that our code didn't integrate well with the next UI which we did, but we did a rough solution for that, so that we'll be able to show the demo to you today properly. So the procedure to use this file is simple. As you can see, it's very minimalistic. Just choose the file. Okay. So just put any audio file. It needs to be in WAV format to do specific reasons for the training, and then you can select language. Actually, we can put as many languages as possible, but due to the English dialect, the training set which we have used, Hitesh's YouTube videos, which is mostly in English, so it has a very good English dialect, so it is a little difficult for the Indian dialect languages to pick up. So we have used Spanish and French because, of course, we got the results very well. But we also we were also thinking on improving it on the future notice. So as I told, we made a mistake, but of course we learned from this mistake. But now to show the demo, once we click submit. Okay. As I told, once we click submit, we redirected ourselves back to our synthesis notebook. So here, as I told, we have taken Hitesh's voice training and we have stored it in a, we have made a training file which is in another folder. Now once we come down, you need not to run it. I think it will be safe. So just scroll down. Okay, just hold on. Okay, you can scroll up. Okay. You can go down. I'll just show the demo. Okay, just show. Okay. Of course, everyone has heard virginal voice of Hitesh sir, so I need not to show that here. But we have taken one of his YouTube videos, and this is just a validation set. This is not the set which we use for training, and we converted this into French and Spanish. So this inference is already running Spanish. So I want you guys to listen to it and just take a look of how precise it is.
careful. Oi todos devolver nascer outro vez outro video I hagamos algo interessante neste video.
So next video was
Use this, use this.
Okay, everybody, please listen to the audio now.
Oi todos devolver nascer outro vez outro video I hagamos algo interessante neste video.
I'll play it again.
Oi todos devolver nascer outra vez outro video I hagamos algo interessante neste video.
hold it.
Mic, bro, mic. Oi todos devolver nascer outra vez outro video I hagamos algo interessante neste video.
Okay, okay, if you want, I'll just share the. Okay, I'll just share the code with you later on, or you can just try it out. Because of your audio connectivity issues, I'm not able to show it to you properly. But that's what Hitesh's voice is like. This voice is completely generated by AI, even the English format also. We have just taken it for reference. Then we have cut the voice into chunks. Then the chunks have been converted to the specific language, which here is Spanish. And then later on, it is being converted and being shown here. So you can just okay. So yeah, that's it. So this is what we prepared for the hackathon essay today, and this is our final output. So thank you very much. Hope you guys like the presentation.
Okay. Actually, due to the audio issue, we could not hear everything, but Hitesh can now talk in French, Spanish, Bhojpuri, okay, and different languages. So this was it, I think, from the demos. So we have covered most of the people. Now let's announce the winner. Okay. So we'll go from 5 to 1. Okay.
So fine guys, we can take a break for 5 minutes and then we can assemble once again for our final winner. Take a break please for 5 minutes.
Okay. 5 minutes break. Okay. Shall we start? Shall we start? Okay, fine. Some energy. So we'll start with the 5th award. Any guesses? From the people who have shown demo. Any guesses? Any guesses? Okay, the 5th prize goes to ML coders. Not there? Not there? Sorry? They aren't here. Okay, fine. Okay, so we'll try to contact them later on. Fine. Let's go with the 4th award. The 4th award goes to Team Arab. I request Amresh Bharati sir to come and please give them the check. Okay, excited? Finally? So congratulations, guys. You are the 4th winner. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Yeah, click photo. Now, coming to the 3rd award. Any guesses? No guesses, are not interested. Something. Okay. The 3rd award goes to Lalit. So I invite Telesco sir to please come and give the reward to Lalit. He's well known as Telesco sir. Sorry, I invite Naveen sir to give the reward to Lalit.
So I thought you were giving me the reward.
So Lalit gets a 50,000 rupees check. Okay, sir. So first of all, are you impressed by his work or not?
Very much impressed.
Yes.
So single-handedly done everything.
Yes. So that
Are
is.
you impressed with your work? Yes.
So congratulations, Lalit. Keep on doing well. Thank you. Okay, coming to the 2nd award. Any guesses? Sir, batai do, sir. Okay, the 2nd award for 1 lakh rupees cash prize goes to Team Slowpoke. Huh? I invite Saurav sir to reward them with the check of 1 lakh cash reward. Thank you. Oh, guys, come on, claps. Thank you. Good job.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, finally, the first prize. Any guesses? Any guesses? How many teams are left? Sir, हम में से कोई होंगे? How many teams are left? Any guesses? So the first prize goes to the group Athena For the first prize of 2 lakh rupees, I invite Sudhanshu Kumar, the CEO, to reward them with 2 lakh rupees cash prize. Congratulations, guys. Yeah, at least 4 of them. Very nice for you then.
That's great, right? So you're not supposed to split this amount between 4, now it's just 2. So yeah.
Congratulations, guys. Please.
Okay, so how was your experience, by the way? It's very good. Good. Congratulations. Thank you. Thanks.
Okay, guys, so this was it from our side, I know we have a lot of people over here who participated, did not get any reward, but understand experience is what it matters, So I hope everybody liked this hackathon and you were amazing guests for us. And we loved the hospitality that we really wanted to give you all, right? So yes, Hitesh sir.
Finally, I've been managing this stream for so long, but finally it's time that I am in front of the camera itself. It's sometimes difficult to manage this stream at the same time and be behind the camera and be on the front of the camera. And one thing I would like to mention to all of you, you guys have been amazing. I know it's not easy to manage these kinds of hackathon for 24 hours. You have put in a lot of effort. Some of you were not even confident when you came up that we'll be able to do it or not, but you did something really amazing. Almost all of you finished all of your projects and had something that was working and that was presentable. Hats off to you. You have pulled up something that was never ever seen before. And apart from this, I would also like to announce that we are getting huge support from both companies as well as students and from you guys as well. Now we are lining up these hackathons every weekend. So every weekend, not only just hackathons, we are rolling out job offers as well. So far we have laid up, we have presented 3 or 5? 4 job offers already are being offered from our company itself. And now we are getting more companies who wants to get these jobs directly to you without no middleman, no such DSA rounds, no aptitude round, nothing. You just show them the project, they'll hire you directly. So from next weekend onwards, it's all in. You just make the project, impress the companies, and get hired. So make sure you go out and make sure this message reach to your friends, your juniors, your seniors, everybody, because it's not just about freshers are getting job. We are having companies like Mu Sigma, JetBrains, and Geeky Ants, and a whole lot who are very much interested in hiring experienced folks as well as freshers, but not fresher to the code. You should know how the code works and how to write that. It's really, really tough to pull this off, but finally we have done this and really super happy with the team and the entire support of all the YouTubers, every single team. It takes a lot of effort, even mentors and everybody. So just one last and final, thank you so much to all of you.
Okay, thank you, sir. So I hope, guys, you enjoyed. Yes, this was it from our side. And again, we'll be conducting the hackathon next weekend and in the upcoming weekend. I know some people have won. Some people may think that they have lost, but this is not a loss for you. But instead, this will actually give you an amazing experience altogether. So thank you, everyone. Thank you for being such an amazing host and amazing guest, everyone. So this was it from our side. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next hackathon. Bye-bye.